Hi, I'm Gavin Araujo. I'm the head coach of FC Goan U-18 football team. And in the middle of the lockdown, this is how we are keeping our players physically fit. Today, we focus on 3 lower body exercises and 3 for upper body exercises. First exercise, we are focusing on 2-leg squats, which is almost like a sitting position. This focuses on glutes, hamstring, and quadriceps. The second exercise is front lunges. This focuses on again glutes, hamstring, and quadriceps. The third exercise for the lower body is calf raise. This works on the plantar flexor, calf muscles. So by these 3 exercises, we are covering all the main muscle groups of the lower body. First exercise for the upper body will be push-ups. This exercise focuses on the chest, the shoulders, the back, and the front. This exercise is like a back push-up. We work on our shoulders, our back, and back pectorals. Last exercise, we are looking at our abdomen. This is how we are keeping our players fit. Stay home, stay fit.